The tremendous demand that we're seeing for AI is really challenging us. How do we provide the infrastructure in a timely fashion?
Data centers are actually growing at an unprecedented pace. In 2022, they accounted for about 1 to 2% of the total global electricity use. It's expected to almost double by 2027.
More intelligence usually leads to more benefits for the overall society. The rapid pace of AI evolution is setting a foundation for a more automated and intelligent future.
The AI revolution is almost similar to the industrial revolution, but the interesting shift is it's not going to need a few decades to change. This change is happening in a few years.
Usually we're seeing that it's a top-down push, but in this case, actually employees are picking up AI much faster than their employers.
The pace of uptake on AI is putting a tremendous strain on the energy infrastructure and the data center infrastructure to power it. So there's a couple areas where we can focus on driving greater sustainability in our data centers. There's the energy efficiency angle of how do we operate, the power, the cooling, the infrastructure. And then there's also the aspects of you're building a physical building, right? So how do you explore these lower embodied carbon materials for the built environment?
We talk about the AI-powered cooling system that can use predictive analytics to reduce overheating and energy waste. We're also seeing the pickup of liquid cooling technology, which is more energy efficient than traditional air cooling.
For us at Schneider Electric, our advanced technologies are game changers. We are advancing the modular scalable data centers that can be delivered much faster, they are more cost effective, and they are able to meet the growing demand for the AI services.
AI can play a role in enhancing grid efficiency, integrating renewables, and reducing carbon footprints by analyzing vast data sets to predict and balance electricity supply and demand.
You see a lot of data centers actually bringing capacity back onto the grid. When we're able to actually create that energy where we are, you remove a lot of the inefficiencies, and that stability of the grid is now increased.
AI is emerging as a powerful tool both for energy security and decarbonization. AI can analyze sensor data from energy infrastructure to predict and prevent failures, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing costly downtime. AI also plays a vital role in optimizing energy demand prediction, improving grid management, ensuring resilience against power outages. On the transition to a low-carbon future, AI is helping industries reduce energy consumption and optimize the operation. So, for example, AI is already driving significant energy savings in buildings through smart optimization algorithms. It is also enabling more sustainable urban planning by optimizing traffic flow and energy management in the smart cities. As AI helps streamline these processes and improve efficiency across industries, it does become a key enabler in fighting against this climate challenge.
Sustainability is a complicated goal, and AI is good at tackling complicated questions and problems.
How do I get the right material where I need it? How do I get power in a way that I can use it efficiently? And the speed of AI, the tools that it provides us, allows us to drive that future.
We're seeing predictive analytics, automation, and smart infrastructure across different industries, and this will continue to enhance efficiency and reduce waste.
Think about how many sustainable solutions which can be built today through hardware, software, etc.
The machine can go find that opportunity for you and connect you to it. Ultimately, you're still going to be the decision maker on it, but the tools of AI are going to be able to help drive that decision-making process.
Now, AI is already transforming many industries. In healthcare, it's enhancing diagnostics. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance powered by AI is optimizing processes and reducing operational costs. From a future generation point of view, I think this is a huge benefit. As long as we are clear on the utilization of AI, which is to simplify and enhance the processes which we have, while we as humans continue to focus on the tasks around emotion, around creativity, and so on, which are the complex tasks.
What we need to do is to really be mindful of how we use the technology and how we integrate the technology, at the same time not to let go of the net zero sustainability goals.
How do we actually drive the ability for our business to continue to grow? And if we ignore the factors of there's only so many resources, there's only so much power, there's only so much material, and if we don't use those resources we have efficiently, we won't be able to meet the capacity demand we have in front of us.
It gives me a lot of hope that you can continue to get the demand of AI, utilize it for the benefit of industries, of humans, of businesses, etc., and it can all be done in an extremely sustainable fashion.